Are we stopping selling off for DJT? Who's buying the dip? Are we have a planned short selling for DJT in order to buy cheaper for the market maker? We got many questions right now to ask before, guys, the election date next week on Tuesday. We have a plan selling pressure, guys? This is really important. Let me know in the comment section below. We might have a huge reversal for now before Friday, because everybody knows after Friday we have a long weekend, of course, before the election, and everybody preparing before the election. So this is planned or not? Let me know in the comment section below. In today's video, we have to discuss where's the bottom. Is that it? Are we going to have a reversal? Where the reversal, and where's the price target for DJT before Friday or before the election date? So let's get right to it. Hit the like button on the way in. Subscribe, because we always go live every day, guys, on our Discord and Patreon first around 7 a.m. Eastern time. After that, we go live on our YouTube around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Yesterday, we did a nice trade for mini stock, guys. We did a good swing trade for Google 2 days ago for the earnings. We have updated DJT for many times, as you can see here. We said 41, and after that, the 36 reversal between the 36 and 38. And of course, we updated the support in our live streaming. We said the 33 should be the bottom for today, and now we reversing at the moment almost 8%. So where we gonna go? First, we have to discuss the short from above. Let me just show you what's happened here. We have this descending channel, the most important channel that we have to break before the election day in order to confirm that we're gonna squeeze the short seller, where they have to cover, or we're gonna confirm if DJT gonna go another jump up. It is around this level. We're gonna discuss in depth, but for now we have to discuss the first level, not the level that we're gonna squeeze at, but the level that we're gonna have to test at the moment before even dropping our video, guys. We're gonna test this level. We after I drop the video, we might test this level and go down afterwards. So the video, if you're watching here, is a bit delayed, guys. That's why we always do our chart analysis update on Discord early and in few seconds to warn our hunter about the resistance. For now, guys, if you're watching, is mean this video been uploaded on our YouTube channel after 2 hours from now. However, this one will last until the next day at least. However, if we have a volatility, we're gonna update the charts by the minute on our Discord and Patreon. But in the meantime, we got a resistance confirmed around the 37.28, which is the current resistance that we have to break. Current support that we should hold is over the 33.50, and now we should consolidate here before a breakout out. So this is not it. This is the first resistance. The main resistance, guys, let me just put it in white. Let me just go in the big picture. The main resistance that we have to break is here on the white level, the 43.54. Why? Because once we break here, we make the short seller the most bigger position that opened by today, guys. It was here around this level, around the white line. So that's why we have two levels. The first is the orange line, the second is the white line. Orange line is the first resistance, and of course the white line is the confirmation that we're gonna break this bearish channel and confirming that we're gonna squeeze up. So there's two scenarios. Either we're gonna have a breakout before the election and breaking this white line and be over the 44. This will be good preparation for mega squeeze, or we're gonna have a consolidation before the election day, before this descending channel, because we don't have a decision yet. We don't know who's gonna win, Donald Trump or Harris. Let me know, comment section below, guys. Let me know who's gonna win, just in case, to see the sentiment of the market and the sentiment of the people who live in the United States. Anyway, in the meantime, we have two scenarios, as we said. Either before the election day, by the next week, we're gonna be over the white line. This will be the best case scenario. Why? Because if we are over the white line after or before the election day, is mean we're gonna have the $100, guys. We're gonna have at least the 98. This is my target, easily. However, if we didn't, yes, we're gonna have a jump, but not around the $100. We're gonna have the 50, 60, and 70, but not the $100. I'm talking about one jump in one day. not in 1 year or few months or few weeks after the election. Okay, it's a small time frame, small picture. Don't say, Jesus, no, we need the 1,200. No, here we talk about just a realistic price target. If you don't like what you're hearing, go to another YouTube channel who actually saying Disney World or pink expectation for the stocks. We don't do that here. We only do the realistic price action, guys, which is probable to happen. The Disney World or pink expectation usually never happen. So that's why we always rely on our probability. The most chance that something will happen, we talk about it here. So as we said, we've got a few days left, only Friday and Monday, then boom, the election day on Tuesday. So guys, be careful. Before the election, we're gonna have a pretty volatile day. From now, you see what's happened from now for prior for the week of the election, we have a selling pressure. A lot of you thinking that the Friday we're gonna have selling pressure. No, it happened in beginning of this week, preparation for the election. Guess what? If the election day happen, of course, we're gonna have a gap up or down. So just as a reminder, be careful, guys. If you want to trade DJT, just lower your size, but or you want to trade it with bigger size, just put money willing to risk, because this is will be like high reward or high risk at the same time. So guys, what we should expect now, as we said, we need to hold the 33.55. Now, as we talk about it right now, and we see that the short seller adding their position around the 37.28. That's why we put in back. So what we should expect up now, I'm gonna put alert right around the 33.50, because if we broke, we're gonna have another dip down before the election. So my target for the dip before the election is between the 31 and the 29. Okay, usually I don't want to say all the levels, because saying the levels in public is not good, because we'll be targeted by the short sellers and will not work after that. But just for today, guys, we're gonna discuss this dip for you guys, because this is a special stock, and we got many requests from you guys about the dip, and many of you are panicking. So that's why we clearing and discussing the bottom for DJT for today. Usually we talk about the dip or the reversal on our Discord and Bitcoin, because it's much safer over there. We don't have short sellers. However, right now, hopefully the short seller not watching our live streaming or watching our video. As we said, if we broke the 33.50, we're gonna have a nice dip toward the 31 and the 29. This is it before the election day, guys, because we have just few days. If we have a dip, this is it. We need to have two dips. And total, let me just check from this here, 6% and 12% in total. This is it. We should have a reversal at these zones. But for now, if we held the 33.50 and accumulate before the election, this will be even better, because the squeeze will be pretty hard. For now, we have a confirmation that the first little short seller is around the 37.28 to be precise. We might have the breakout by tomorrow in a pre-market or after hours today. So it's back to huge volatility, guys. We're gonna do a live streaming extended one like what we did today, almost 2 hours and a half, especially for that, because DJT is on fire. Make sure to bring your cup of tea or coffee. For me, is a cup of water. I don't need any more. I can turn it to wine because of Jesus, of course, Son of God. However, bring your water, whatever that make you focus, and of course come around 9 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube. And before, if you want to have early access to our live streaming, of course you can join us around 7 a.m. Eastern time on our Discord and Patreon. The link in the comment section below, guys, for the early live streaming that we always do daily. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow, Friday, and let me know where the price will go over the white line, the 44.50 before the election, or we're gonna have another dip toward the 31 and the 29. Let me know, comment section below, and of course let me know who's gonna win, Trump or Harris, on the next Tuesday. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you by tomorrow.